Right, family, let's look at the well where this water come from. Let's go, let's look inside and see.
Airline, I mean, you call it.
It's deep, man.
I could have buy it online.
Yeah.
Put the bob on
Good, yeah.
Put the bob on
Everything good though.
That's spicy
What's this?
Sunflower.
Oh, sunflower. Okay. That's how it grow.
Your mango seeds.
Oh, mangoes. Sunflower.
I don't know how you guys I think we've got about 4 or 5 varieties of mangoes. Have you tasted them?
Yeah, I got a lot of mangoes.
The apple mango is the coast mango. Then we have the big one that comes.
Big one that, yeah.
Lots of mangoes. But you can only grow the ones that are stored.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, family, so we're there.
It can push for how deep, right? Yeah, that's what we normally calculate. So that we can already pump.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking right now. I don't know.
Yeah.
Where's the pump for this?
It's inside.
You put it back
Oh, the
on
pump
it?
inside.
It's working now?
No, it's not working.
So you're going to take it back
But we can pull it out.
Yeah, because I want to know that when you pull it out, I want to know how big the size.
Yeah, family, so that's the well where this water come from. Tastes nice, from nature, from God. So let's go. We're gonna actually go look at the greenhouse and then we'll come back and hit the road. Beer dust come down. Tap in slogan. Yeah, family.
Don't worry, we're getting the keys for that one.
Oh, for the green. Okay. Yeah, family. So we actually at another, village home. Looking at compose
They must have been doing some chicken too.
chicken. Yeah.
This is from the arrowroots.
Yes, this is
Oh, arrowroots. Yeah, all arrowroots. Yeah.
rich.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Combine all this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Combine all that. Pour water on it.
And leave it for how long?
But my goodness, the bales, I think they must have been burnt, but they must have been.
And, okay, and then after a month you bag it up and sell it.
Sometimes it takes longer. It depends on how you attend to it.
Yeah.
Because it has to get enough oxygen, enough air.
Yeah. Okay.
So what you have to do, Ramesh, is you have to divide it. It comes in 70-30.
Okay.
70% carbon. Okay.
Which is what?
And 30% nitrogen.
So what is the carbon and what is the
Okay,
nitrogen?
now this is the nitrogen. The nitrogen
Is this okay?
Is the dung.
Down.
Okay.
Any green stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And things like the haze carbon. That is this. Okay.
Haze carbon, that's not the green.
Oh, this is the carbon.
If this were to be used, this is carbon.
Okay. Carbon. Yeah, carbon.
So
Yeah.
you kind of like pile it. Okay, set 30%.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You spray some water on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Cover it 70%.
Cover it with what?
Meaning you put on a
carbon.
layer
Yeah. You layer
of the
them.
green stuff and then a layer,
Layer
of
up.
the dry stuff.
You have to layer. Okay, layer. Okay.
Then after a month, you start turning it after every week.
Okay.
And you'll know it's working when you find
The heat.
the steam
coming.
So will it be like I would say when it's dry, it will be like a piece of
a rich
wood.
black,
Look
a
like
rich
soil,
black,
rich
yeah,
black
rich
soil.
black soil.
Soil, yeah.
Yeah.
Which okay. Okay, okay.
Even though that's dry,
Yes,
it's
but the
it's
thing is,
nitrogen.
you cannot use it because, okay, fine, from the big pile,
Yeah.
once the compost is cooked,
Mm-hmm.
okay, it reduces drastically, like
Yeah, it gets
50%.
smaller.
Ah, I get smaller. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
now,
yeah.
before you put it on your plants, you've got to leave it for about a month or two to cure, call it curing.
Okay.
That is when now the worms and the germs get back into the compost because the heat killed it. When the compost was cooking,
Okay.
the heat went and killed everything.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay?
Yeah, yeah,
now,
yeah.
at the time that it's curing, okay, it's a very good idea to have your chickens
Ah, okay, okay.
scratching in
Scratching,
and out, okay?
aerate
You-
it.
Guaranteed you will not have to buy any more feed.
Ah, okay, okay.
Ellie those worms and
Yes.
Mm.
So it
Wow.
gives your eggs that rich,
yeah,
you know.
and at the same time it's giving oxygen to the it's air in there.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
compost.
And then when finished, then you pick it up and what, bag it up?
Right?
After that process, what happened
You can
next?
bag it if that's how you want
What
to
does
sell
that
it.
Okay, okay,
Or
okay.
you bring your pickup, load it, bring your loaders, load it in there, and whatever. But the thing is, once you have the compost, you cannot apply it immediately.
Ah,
It
okay.
needs about 3 months. So if you have something that you are cultivating, okay, then lay the compost now, so that when the rains come in March or April,
Ah, that's when
it
you plant. Yeah,
activates,
yeah.
yes,
That,
it
and then
activates.
activate and then you
All
plant.
the nutrients in the soil.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right?
Yeah, fam, that's just informative information about organic farming and planting. And if you're into farming,
Together,
you know what, you need this information.
paradise.
Yeah, you need this information
Especially
too.
if you had- okay, fine. This is the cow. Perhaps
That's
goat.
chicken.
That's chicken. Now we only need the pig,
The pig.
and you have the complete. You have the complete cycle. Yeah. Okay. Now, whereas the goat and the cow you can apply directly, the pig you cannot.
Ah,
It's as bad as.
so why you use
it's,
pig?
It's as bad as.
Yeah, it will
shit.
burn it.
So why you use pig? You know, just take the pig outside because the pig look like it's harmful.
No, it's
No,
it's
you
not
can't.
harmful.
As long as you compost it.
When you
Yeah.
add it to your compost heap.
Yes.
Because my compost, there's a pig farm right next to it. So I tell that guy, just bring me a few wheelbarrows.
Yeah.
And I just add it to it.
Okay.
And it sits there.
Yeah, you can only make use of it. What is it? 3 to 4 months. Okay, like the sun.
Mm-hmm.
The more heat there is, the
Yeah.
less time it takes now
Yes.
to whatever. But during the cold and
Yeah,
It
yeah,
takes a
yeah.
longer
yeah, it
time.
takes a long time.
And you have to make sure you add enough water too.
Yes.
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's go to the greenhouse. Because it's
Them gone already?
Listen now. Goodness, I thought it was that one.
Nitrogen, carbon, and air.
But there's one there. Oh, it's all the way down there. Okay, okay, okay. All right, family. So we're heading over to the greenhouse. And, you know, what I was saying to you guys, if you're interested in farming, link up with Jam Tours and get connected with the community.
Yes. I'll introduce yourselves.
I'm Al.
Al.
Givaiga.
Rome, yeah, get tiger, yeah.
Ricardo.
Ricardo. Yeah, thank you so very much. Me too.
Al.
Al. Yeah, he's the king.
Mike.
Mike. You're Mike. Nice to meet you, Mike. Yes, sir.
All right, family. So we're heading down to the greenhouse.
No weedos.
Yo, I'm gonna chop off the boy and throw him in the shit house.
Don't talk to me. Don't be the one this Sure, I will be again. Don't be the one this
Yeah, family. So let's go down to the greenhouse. Organic.
When I went to Tanzania, I learned about
Yeah.
eating pumpkin leaves.
Yeah.
When you're done with this,
They are the best.
yeah,
The kills.
Eat very
Yeah.
good. Kales.
Where's the Al?
Kales,
When you come back,
pumpkin leaf, spinach.
gonna build a
broccoli,
big
greens.
compost.
Yes, man. Africa has its salad and
Come on, yeah.
particularly in this camp.
Yeah. Look at that sheep. Look so. What happened to the sheep?
They shave him, that's why.
The sheep. They shave him and take his arm.
They shed him. Shed him? Oh, they're not shaved.
Yeah.
They shave him. They shave him. No, they didn't.
No, those ones are not. Those are not your what we call it. Your word.
Yeah, wool.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Within another month, avocado. We have avocado here. These are quarter.
Yeah, family. So let's head down to the greenhouse. Oh, they're just fixing up.
This guy has a whole environment for his business. He has his
It's manufacturing,
manufacturing.
he does, and he has cows.
Where is that?
You see the corner here? There?
That is
You remember when you
green
drop the kids? The opposite side.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, family. So take a look at the greenhouse. This is what the greenhouse look like.
Yes.
This is what the greenhouse look like, family.
I think it's capsicum, yeah.
Yeah.
The colored ones or
I think he wanted the
Yellow.
ones.
yes, the colored ones go for more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
I'm
we have
there.
we have the yellow, we have the
And
red,
then,
we have orange.
Yeah.
Kiambo.
This is the other one over there. They did spinach inside there already.
Come on, and a bunch of.
So you can't get inside.
So what you guys gonna put in this one, Lloyd?
This one green peppers and
Oh, green peppers, red peppers, bell peppers.
yeah, bell pepper.
Okay. Yeah.
Where is Mr. Lloyd? How might show you the typical
Because I want you to unless you want to hang out somewhere and then come back when we check out.
what is it? Is this the typical? This is Moraru.
Oh, okay.
Kuria.
Oh, you mean at
Is
that
this
place?
Moraru? What is Moraru? Moraru is a kind of a
Alright.
typical Gikuyu banana. It doesn't turn yellow, it is green.
Ah,
Even
okay.
even when it's ripe.
Even it's red.
When it's ripe.
Oh wow, I never
So
heard.
this one, because the typical Kikuyu one doesn't grow too tall.
Ah, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
But it takes a long time. It takes like 6 months
Oh, that's
to a
like the
year.
shiny banana them.
Which one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, shiny
Or
banana.
monkey banana.
Uh-huh. Okay. Moraru.
Yeah.
Yes.
But we call it Nyoro.
I know the one you're talking about.
Uh-huh.
We call it in Jamaica shiny banana.
Monkey
It
banana.
remains green
Bump.
even when it's ripe.
I can
Yeah,
call bumpy.
yeah.
Bumpy.
And it's the
Monkey.
best.
Banana.
Yeah. Right?
Very sweet.
Yes.
Very sweet family.
Nyoro.
Kikuyu banana.
Are you saying it stays green even when it's ripe?
I remember when I was going up Mount Kenya,
Right? Mount Kenya.
they was saying that asking if we should look for that banana.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, that was just. I remember this with my grandmother. I knew there was a bunch
Banana.
of stuff that grew, whatever. But as the years came by,
Yeah, nothing.
she replaced all her bananas and she said, "Oh, that thing takes like a year. This one here takes like 6 months." Yeah.
Things quicker.
Yes.
Of course.
Okay.
You water the banana, if it have good soil, and you water it a lot, it takes even like 3 months or 4 months before you can get banana shooting.
Yeah.
Grow fast. In Jamaica, the soil is so good, you just put the banana tree down,
And it does grow.
just grow.
Yeah.
And it takes less than 6 months before banana starts coming from the tree.
Yeah.
Now, the only bad thing is that when you're trying to remove the banana, it can take nearly a year because each and every time you put it, right, there's another one going in.
Yeah, no.
So you have to keep on removing it for a year before now it's.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah.
But you know me, I can remove it for just 2 days. I can finish it
Sasa
like this one.
utatumia chemicals yafuata nini?
Kuchimbua. Yeah. I
Okay.
can dig it until maybe 2 days. I can remove all this.
All of that
And next week hatutaona ingine ikimea.
grow up again.
Taona. So, yeah.
So you go all the way down and take the entire roots out.
All
But
of
why you do that? Why?
a long time
so
we
don't go
have
back.
bananas.
Yeah.
They grow back?
So don't go back inside the same place.
Oh,
Yeah.
so if you go back in shape, it's like mid narrow, like weak.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Hello?
we've got many avocado trees. Goodness.
Yep.
Mko na macadamia? Any macadamia? All oak. Now, if you go to in places in Nyeri, including my whatever, you see avocado trees, and there must be a few macadamia trees. What is there? Yes. Okay.
And here we have them, but not in this village.
Yes.
Remember when we went to the Julie? You know? Yeah, both sides.
Okay.
Yeah.
And blackjack. What else are you growing here?
All right, family. So as you can see, the greenhouse.
Vital.
Yeah. Just press it and it flip around and come around. Yeah, family. So as you can see, the greenhouse, and farming is the thing. And if you want to get in farming, let's link up with us. So like, share, and comment on this video. All is at Monday, a beginner farming. Best place to go in Ghana, all is is the Volta region.
Volta region.
That's the green part of Ghana.
Yeah,
That's the part I like the most.
Yeah.
And if you go there, maybe you like it.
I'll check it out.
So where you going in Ghana?
Right
Right now, I'm going to Accra.
Accra, in the middle up there.
And then from there, I'll have a few places to check out.
All right, cool. Yeah.
Africa, we say, yeah?
Yeah, man, Africa, we say. And you should all come and visit and experience it, and then, you know what I mean? Because you don't know what you don't know.
You don't.
You only can know if you come and see it for yourself.
Don't
And
listen to nobody else.
don't listen to the tell lie vision.
Own experience.
Yeah. And that's the thing, a lot of people watch a lot of TV and say a lot of things. They might live from the TV experience. They not live from their own experience.
The thing is that who knows what message the person who placed it there is trying to send to you.
Yeah.
It's not necessarily the right message that you need to hear.
Yeah.
It's probably designed to discourage you.
Discourage you, yeah. So alright family, like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts.
Black people
Yeah.
come to Africa. They have to keep giving us the idea that
It's a desert, it's dry.
Yes, when you're coming in, British Airways, KLM,
Yeah.
Lufthansa, half the plane, in fact, perhaps even
I bet if I have more, that's
last
the,
year
yeah.
stays here. Of course.
is filled with museums.
Mm.
Okay?
Because they don't want us here. They don't want us to know what their experience is.
Yeah.
They don't want us to come
Yeah.
take what they're getting for free.
Yeah. Yeah, families, as you can see, it's greener than green, greener than grass.
Oh yeah.
Especially when it comes to carbon.
Alright family, like, share and comment on the video. We are out. One love. God bless. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love and sunlight. This is Ankeru from, Jam Tours Africa family. And when we come to the village, the best place to get greens is from the village. So my brother Korea right now is getting me some pumpkin leaf, and bring it back to the city so I can have it to cook family. So he's getting me some pumpkin leaf to bring back home from Miss Jam Tours from Okimo.
These are who's taking the pumpkin leaf?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You will
Yeah.
enjoy it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Boat is tied, not up.
So the goat not up. Look on him foot. Look and
Where's
unblock him. Shit.
I'll show you the difference.
Blood clot. One hand me have. Yeah, family, so I'll untie the goat.
No man, you like you sound like me at teeth people go. Yeah, I'm good, full. I behave like him a sheep.
Yeah. Where is the goat smarter than sheep?
By far, man.
Watch him again, watch him. Blood.
And he's a ram too, you know.
Yeah, this is not a real goat. It's a crossbreed goat, this. Yeah. Bigger, yeah. And not even real goat, that.
Because it's. I've been stung.
With what?
That can't sting you.
What's that? No, sir, you but you don't eat it.
I know the grass.
Grasshopper.
Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
One love,
Jam Tours.
Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
One love.
Fry them.
Yeah.
This
There
one
is
no,
lice
that's,
inside. There is lice inside.
stick here,
Rice?
Yeah,
Lice.
they have
Oh, it tastes like.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah,
It
that's
tastes
what I
like. Of course, no. You see the
But they can
Tanzania.
both be.
I didn't eat it.
Yes.
A lot of people
But you
eat it.
still
In
call it-
Zambia,
you still call it
they love this.
Well, we still call it pumpkin leaves, okay?
Damn.
When we saw them, we know there is drought coming.
There's what? Drought. Okay.
Where's
No,
it?
it is sticking out.
So there's a drought coming this year.
Yeah.
George's coming this year.
There will be more summer.
Yeah, more hot sun, more heat.
No water, no anything growing. Maybe you grow in a greenhouse.
Yeah.
Mm.
You know they come, they eat everything. You see like this.
But
you
you guys don't worry though, cause that's food.
Yeah, that's food.
Oh,
It
in
depends.
Zambia, they eat
It
it.
depends on the tribe though. Some tribes.
Some tribe eat it.
Sweet locusts.
Oh.
Especially when there's I know we eat the termite, especially the termite queen.
Termite
queen, the termite
because
queen.
she's
Even
fat
this one we
and
eat when
juicy.
there's when there's dry.
Go to eat that goat, that man.
No, more about what is up, but eat. The food that is
The food, the food.
Both traumatized, man. You know what
I'm feeling like having nyama choma.
Nyama choma. They got nyama choma him.
Nyama choma. But that's a better taste.
That's a better taste. Yeah.
That's a traditional one. And the way they used to slaughter it,
Yeah.
it was done special. There's a way they cut it.
Cut it.
So
Okay.
The reason why it smells
Mhm.
is when if you try to prepare the meat like this other one,
Mhm.
the bladder usually pees on the meat.
Ah, so you have to know
That's
to
why
cut
it's-
it and
yeah.
and kill it and
So
stuff.
there's a way you kill it, you slaughter it when it's down,
Mhm.
then you remove the bladder.
Ah, okay, okay. Mm. All right, family. So, you know what I mean, I'll be getting some greens to go home with. And I'm really happy about that because I kind of like staying away from the supermarket greens.
Hey, Wagwan.
Because
My sister Wagwan.
Sister Wagwan.
She a Jamaican lady.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we actually you know what I mean, heading back. As I was saying to you guys, I kind of staying away from these supermarket greens, and we're trying to get the real organic greens from nature, from God, family. So our brother Courier right here picking the greens.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, straight from nature, straight from the vine,
From the nature, from the bush.
from the bushes. Yeah, yeah.
It's the best.
Yo, Ricardo, come off that cow, man. Come off that cow, boy. Come on. Come off that cow, boy. Yo.
So you chef, you can slaughter this and roast it.
Yeah.
You know here chefs slaughter a cow. One
Yeah,
chef.
yeah, yeah. One, yeah.
Yeah.
You beat me head.
Yeah.
You slap him in the head? Or you slaughter him? Or you slaughter him, yo?
How do you use the guy slaughter cow here? You cut his throat or you knock him in his head?
We just tie legs, we drop it down first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we still need that blood.
The blood.
Yeah,
Why do you do the blood? Why?
we still drink it.
Drink it?
Yeah.
You guys drink the blood?
When you slaughter, when that blood is hot, you must drink just a little.
Why?
I don't know. How
You don't
that
know?
came,
So what you
because
doing?
We just find.
What Ricardo, this cow big man.
Nice cow.
Oh man, them big one.
So when you slaughter, you cut the tie the cow legs.
Yeah, and you drop it down. You know it will be just sleeping like this. It can't.
Yeah, it can't move.
It
Yeah.
can't move.
And then what?
Then.
Yeah, Ricardo, forward man. The man now wait out there, so.
Oh, he cut his neck.
Yeah.
Yo, come, come.
Knife inside the leg.
Yeah.
There is that blender you get.
Yeah, he cut the windpipe.
Yeah, family. So let's go. I'm gonna get my greens. So let's go.
Octopus. After you cut the stuff with the ink out, the stuff, or you beat to get rid of it.
Where's the lad? Ready now?
Yeah, we can leave.
You can leave out.
After you take
Alright.
Homage to people.
To the people about the sound.
I'm just asking why you beat it to get rid of the ink or you remove the ink.
Yeah. Yeah, my brother, respect man. Thanks for coming through and thing. We link up. I mean, plant organic.
Yeah, organic, pure plant organic.
Pure plant organic.
Yeah, we passed by Jam like one day.
Yeah, man, you should come. You should come by. Yeah.
Remove the ink first from inside.
Thank you,
clean
thank
him
you.
up.
Yeah,
It's in
man.
one
What that for?
or you have to like
Yeah, family, follow what that for.
no man.
Really on YouTube, Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Instagram, YouTube, what that for.
Like somebody like a dog. So the ink is
So where's the lad? We go to the town or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, come. Yeah.
run through like a ball.
Alright, family, so we're going out to the town
This is it when it's
and to get some stuff.
The poison. Yeah, you can cook the ink and eat it.
Oh,
There's a way how
yeah, it's stinging there.
most expensive
Oh, you get stinging nettle?
They know
You
I
want?
think it's the
Pick
most
it off on the
expensive
road.
salt.
Yeah, man, more want something, more want some stinging nettle.
You want some?
Yeah, we do, yeah.
just like this, you know, the poisonous stuff are usually more expensive. Why people like it?
Yeah, that's true.
Just to say
Yeah.
they're
Where we went?
floating danger.
Yes, that's true.
I should bring you some lion steaks.
Lion.
I'm just joking.
I know how to
Lion
prepare
steak.
meat. I know how to prepare lion meat also. Lion meat. Lion meat tastes like fiber, you know. Like it tastes rubber.
Rubber,
Much
tough.
fiber, yes.
Tough.
Very, very tough. Yeah. So lion meat have a pressure lion meat, like in a pressure cooker. Or if you cook it, it's going to take so long, but the result is still fine. Like,
We are leave now?
Yeah.
we're leaving now.
Alright. Yo, come, you can come in out there, sir, right? You can come in out there, sir.
Before can come in.
We? Oh, that's how you talk.
Wait, at the gate.
Yeah. Reverse car first. Yo, we some boil water in the buckle.
Yeah, water in the buckle, you can drink it when you come in.
Oh, when you come out.
Yeah. Alright, family, so it was a good day. It was a good day. So let's go.
Not Mulenda. Sita what? Yeah, saga.
Saga.
Yeah.
It's bitter. Cook it with cream.
Bitter herbs.
Okay.
Manago.
Okay, Manago. Okay. And
That's
this one.
Manago.
Yeah,
Yeah, this one is Manago.
Yeah.
It's Cancela.
Cancela,
This is terror.
yeah, terror, yeah. Callaloo, Jamaican callaloo.
But then cut it right this time. Then do you like them guys that pull up everything?
Full of everything, yeah. And this one is what? Spinach, sukuma.
Yeah.
Come on, wiki.
Yeah. And the spinach is here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's finished.
Now the onions, and there is
Green
still
onions.
a cabbage
Yeah.
inside.
What you call it? Green onions? Or
Yeah.
Those are
spring onions.
Okay, those are leeks.
Those are leeks. Yeah, you're right. Those are
There was
leeks. Those
those
are
things we
leeks.
were arguing there. Mapake.
Mapake.
Yeah, it's here.
Okay.
Which one is it?
Let me show you.
Goodness, just a garden of.
Yeah, man, these
Yeah,
greens
yeah.
are very something, man. These greens are very, you know what I mean, natural.
This one here, you know
Oh
it.
yeah.
You know it. You know it. You know it's a different name in
It's looking like a tobacco leaf.
Tobacco, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like a tobacco.
It's for your blood.
And the leather is two types.
Okay, the small
This
one
is
and the
another
big one.
type, Yeah.
And this
Here
big
we
one.
call it murembo.
Rainbow.
Yeah.
I mean, it's beautiful.
Sweet and
Beautiful.
They call them, the girls them here, remember?
No, Murembo. That was one of the first words that I learned. Because that's when I want to talk to her, I say Murembo. I love when you say
I love it,
Murembo.
Yeah, very good. Here's your managu. The one who wanted managu but couldn't find it. Here's your managu right
Yeah,
here.
Managu.
Na eno neke.
Oh, chocho.
So they call it Soso.
It's grown now in Jamaica. It's still grown in Jamaica.
Yeah.
We call it Chocho.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you guys call it
When
Susu.
cooking meat.
Oh, yeah, cooking me, yeah,
Yeah, we
cut it
cook
up
it with
and put
meat,
it, cook
or we
it,
cook it in soup,
in soup and
or
stuff.
stews.
Yeah.
Now this is what saga.
Saga.
Okay.
Saga.
Yeah.
Okay, spider plants, leeks. Okay, your terere. This is the local whatever. You
Yeah.
have your sukuma wiki,
Come on, wiki.
and then you have your leeks.
Yeah. He's got everything.
Sindio.
He's ready.
Yeah, man, pack up the car.
Now you just need some corns.
Come
Making flour, you eat to Garvey.
on. Alright, Korea, respect, I give you something more on top.
Yeah,
So you can, you know what I mean,
yeah,
splice it up with your friend.
yeah.
Yeah, family, so that was the greens. Like, share, and comment on the video. We are out. When you come back now, you know exactly where you come back from.
Exactly. And I told me I follow people. That's why
Yeah, man, yeah.
me get to the point now when we have issues. Mommy?
Yeah, but the best thing you can do is that, you know, it's like when you come to a foreign country,
Yeah.
you have to find people who come from your country.
Exactly.
Because now you can relate.
Can relate to.
Yeah, because now we have like 4 Jamaicans and we are all on the same mission.
Yeah, I'll do it.
You know what I mean?
Same journey.
You know what I mean? Yeah, so, you know what I mean? So that is it.
It's easy to find a way out because I think I want straight shot.
I know, one street
Also,
shot there.
that one, there's a lot of corners,
Yeah, what
but-
turn there,
Yeah.
by the top there. All the ACR run.
Eh?
What are you doing though?
Oh, you have the AC around?
ACR run and a
Aye.
beard.
Hello.
Beard dust.
Oh, I never realized it. Oh, you only put it in the front part.
Yes. Oh,
Yeah, I feel it. Figa. Yeah, some turn right, Korea.
We see it, man. We see
Here's
it.
some turn.
That's the only last one.
A turn here.
Still one.
Yeah, we are talking
I get big. No, what's the name of the G string around here? What's the name?
Who that?
Oh, girl, man.
Bridget.
Bridget.
You know some Bridget Reggie.
They never, the G-string she have on.
We a G-string she wear because she done or something that well man. Boys farming vlog out today. We're gonna show you guys. A lot of people link me up in the States that they want to come into farming, and we want to actually build a community for you guys. So we're on our way. Our brother Lloyd is a Jamaican and he has a farm out here, and he's building up some chicken farm and something. We have a link up with some brother that is with the compost, fertilizer and organic farming. You know, so we have a lot of community building. We have some guys, the Kikuyu guys, they have a lot of land around at this side. Green and good for farming family. Our brother Lloyd with us, all with us. Yeah, he's into farming too. And we're gonna hear some tips and tricks from him today while we go on this journey, family. So, you Alright family, alright, this is the end of the Boys Farm vlog. We do hope you enjoy this video out in the village. We have some great times and we really can't wait to do this again, family. So if you want to be a part of this farming community in Kenya, link up with Jam Tours. Jam Tours have all the connection to put you onto the right people for you to get, you know, whatever you need to kick this off and start this off, family. So you see it for yourself, live colors. Take a trip to the village, we have some great time, some great food, and everything was nice, just like upon arrival. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, and comment. We are out. One love.